how to use Google Flow with Google VEO 3. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to use Google Flow with new VEO 3 model. So with the live example, whether you are a creator, marketer, or just curious about AI video tools, this video is your guide. So let's get started. First thing first, what we are going to do, we will sign up with your project, select the powerful VO3 model and write effective prompts and even editing and exporting your final AI generated video. So by the end of this video, you will know exactly how to generate cinematic and high quality video using text. So let's get started. So first thing first, what you have to do is head over to this link, which is labs.google's flow. So after coming on this website, you have to create your account. And then after creating your account, just simply click on this create with flow. So it will take you to this page. So I have already a pro version, but if you are not able to get the pro version, what you can do, just go and let me show you the pricing of Google One. So go to plans, and from here, as you can see, Google AI Pro, you will get in 200 rupees, 2000 rupees. It's like 15 to $20 a month. And then you have this premium one. The pricing of the premium subscription is around, I guess, $20 or $15 a month. But you have to pay like 12 to $15. So then you have a monthly and annually as well. So I have this one. So as you can see here, I will go to home. But if you are not, if you want to just test the Google Flow, you will get the access of VO3 in Gemini. So let's get back to our project. So this is the interface of Flow. As you can see, I have already created a lot of project earlier using the prompt. So after that, what you have to do is click on this new project. So it will ask you to, okay, it will take you to this page where you have to enter the text to create video. Now from here, you will see there is an option of changing the model. Like right now from here, you can customize the output per prompt as well. And then you have model, you can select model as well. The VO3 fast beta audio. So VO3, VO3 generates audio as well. So yeah, this is how it looks like. Now let's generate a simple video using this text to video model. Now you have three options like text to video, then you have frame to videos, and then you have the frame to videos, and then you have ingredient to videos. So it's available for ultra subscriber only, but I have a pro version. So I will use these two things first, text to video and the frame to video. So first we will generate text to video. Now you have to write a prompt. There are two ways you can write a prompt. First, you can use ChatGPT for that. Like I have a JSON format. So VO3 JSON prompter. So this is a GPT, as you can see here. It what it does basically, so it takes rough words, or you can say a rough prompt, and it convert to JSON prompt. So let me just show you. So let's say um, I want to flip a mango to mango juice. Uh, the background will be farm. Now this is a very this is not a prompt basically, so it is very confusing. And what it will do is basically it will take this prompt and it will first create basic version, and then it will create the enhanced version, and then again he will create the creative version of this specific prompt. As you can see, it is writing now. This is the first way you can do that. There is another way you can generate the prompt. So let me just, uh, we will try first this one, and then I will explain the second method, how you can generate the second prompt. So Now the JSON prompter is generated this enhanced version. We will just copy this and paste this into our prompt editor. Now then simply click on this send button. Now from the left side, you will see the video is processing. Right now I have around 820 AI credits. It will automatically restored basically monthly credits. So I get around 1000 credits, AI credits. To generate this kind of videos, you have to pay 10 credits or 20 credits with the audio. Now VEO 3 has generated this video. Let's see how it created this video. The background audio is great. Oh, great. This is a good ad and this is a good prompt. But if you want, if you want to customize more, you have to give more details. Now, second method is the manual method. It's very boring. But if you want more control on the prompt, you can just simply first, what you have to do is define a subject. For example, what is the video? For example, a professional woman in her 30s with the brown hair. So I will just type this is our subject. So a professional woman in her 30s with brown hair. Now then you have to provide the context. So where the scene is taken place. For example, in a modern office with natural lighting. Then after that, what you have to do is like define the action. For example, uh, mm, what's happening. For example, she looks at the camera and says, "Welcome to our company." So she looks at the camera, and says, "Welcome to our company." And then after that, you have to give audio, its sound details. So for example, office background. Then you have to give visual tone. For example, medium, short, and warm shadows, golden or lighting. And then you have to give a framing, which is like a composition of the shot, like a close up, width, shallow, depth of field. Then you have to give a negatives. For example, if you want to avoid no subtitles and no backgrounds, you can add that. Now, what I'm going to do is I have set up this prompt. Now, what I'm going to tell the chat GPT is to optimize. Optimize. So I have added the video and prompt into our VO3. As you can see here, I have copied this prompt and then the ChatGPT has given me this optimize prompt for VO3 and I copied this and pasted it into our flow. Now, this is the output of this prompt. Just simply see how it created. So it is not that good as this one. It has lot more details than this prompt. So you can use this JSON format for your creating a videos. You can say you can do a lot of things. Now let's add to scene over here. Let's say we will add to scene to this video. So what it does basically, let me show you. So it will create this editor. So when you click on this plus icon, you can jump to the scene or you can extend this scene. So let me show you how you can extend. What should happen next? Then this man will drink that juice. Let's see. So this feature isn't supported on VO3 fast. Let's move to VO2 and wait for a few seconds to generate this output. Now VO3 generated this output. Let's see how it looks like. So it is great, to be honest. It's great. So this was great output. So this is how you can extend, and then if you want to jump to the next scene, so you can jump it. Now I don't want to create a new jump to scene because I have limited credits. Now let's move back to our flow, and we will use this frame to video again. So we will use something like uh, 3D frame, 3D documentary, 3D documentary. So just download this image. Let's see what we can find here. Okay, we will use. Now I have downloaded this upload again. Let me just see upload. I have downloaded this image, the 3D one. So you have to give like the first frame and the last frame. So I will use the first frame. You can, if you want to optimize more, then you can use this the output. Let me just okay. So you can add a out frame as well. So the the teacher is teaching to the student, and let's see how it gets created. So by default, I have chosen the wrong model. Let me select this one. Okay, we will select this. We will see the how different is VO2 and VO3 with the same prompt, with the same frame. Teacher is teaching to student. And let's see how it gives the output. Now VO2 and VO3 has generated their output. So let's see first VO2 without sound, but the output is great. Now let's see the VO3s. The what? Is it real? Man, it's like it feels real, to be honest. So let me just this is with the sound.
So for x, we have to consider the derivative of the function.
Now, as you can see, it is great. Now, when you add to this scene, you can edit more. You can add more frames to the video. You can jump to the next section. For example, uh, the college black guy is leaving the classroom. So, okay, the feature is in support on a VO3 fast. Let's switch to a different VO2 and let's generate the jump frame. Now VO2 has generated his output. Let's see how it looks like. As we can see here, the output is great. So the jumping scene isn't that great, but okay, it's fine. It's good, to be honest. It's look good. Now, so before I finish the video, be very specific with your prompt and use emotions, action, and camera and direction. Try both fast and quality modes. Explore all the features during the free trial. Now, you can use if you are a content creator, if you are a marketer, and then you have if you are a like educator or filmmaker, you can access this pro for free when if you are a student, when you like go to Google.ai Studio and search for student offer, it will take you to this page where you can just simply subscribe or this for free by giving your college ID and the college information. So that's it for today's video. And if you found this video helpful, then subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.